Hello, magbabasa tayo ng Manila IPO Prospectus. This will be part of my Kuya Rap Extra. Doon ko siya ipopost. Transparency lang in how I do my research para pag na-structure na natin into a proper video at pinost ko doon sa main channel na Kuya Rap, alam nyo yung pinagdaanan ko in the background. So, first time kong buksan yung Manila page. Hindi ko pa hinahanap yung prospectus. Hopefully, it's gonna be here. May link dito somewhere. Pero ang mahalagang information is meron lang akong 6 items na kailangan hanapin in my first read of the prospectus. Una ay key dates. Second ay prices or stock price kung available na. Next ay expenses and revenue history. Kailangan ko to para magkaroon ng confidence na they know what they're doing. And related dito is bakit nila kailangan mag-IPO? Bakit nila kailangan ng additional capital? Why are they raising capital? Saan nila gagamitin? So yun yung fourth item. Tapos risks. Ano yung risk if we invest in Maynilad? And lastly, sino yung mga competitors nila in this space? I think yung Maynilad, Metro Manila lang, saka Cavite, pero we'll find out. Yun yung assumption ko. I don't know what else. I don't know which provinces they still serve. Okay, so cue time-lapse of my research while I'm eating lunch. Nagbe-break lang kasi ako from my main day job, my software engineering job. Let's research. Okay, time check. 4:26 p.m. Lunchtime ako nagsimulang mag-research and hapon ko na nabalikan. Ito yung 6 items na binanggit ko kanina. 6 information that I want to know from the prospectus. Merong good news, merong bad news. The bad news is hindi ko ma-access yung prospectus. I cannot find a copy of the PDF. Hinanap ko na sa PSE Edge. Available lang doon for download is the offer terms sheet. Ito yung good news. So may 18 pages of basic information. I think okay lang naman to. Dito ko kinuha most of the information na nilagay ko sa 6 items na to. Actually, pakita ko sa inyo. Oops. Let's see. So, since initial pa lang ang research natin, wala pang expenses, revenue, history, wala pang risks, wala pang competition information. IPO proceeds, saan gagamitin? Hindi ko mahanap sa prospectus. Hindi ko mahanap sa tawag dito, offer terms sheet. May binanggit na use of proceeds, pero wala naman dito yung information. Kasi nasa prospectus yun. Ang nahanap ko is may ibang report na nagsasabi from Reuters na ito. So, they will fund water and wastewater projects. Napakaganda ng sulat ko. Network expansion and system upgrades. So, initial information pa lang naman yan. Since primer naman yung gagawin ko for Maynilad. By the way, ticker symbol is MYNLD. Not the best one, but I guess readable siya. Maynilad. Next, na nakita ko, price is up to 20 pesos per share. Meron ding, paano ko ba-explain to? Merong report na nagsasabi na meron silang investor partners na willing silang mag-invest in Maynilad as long as yung maximum price is 15 pesos per share. Ang hindi ako sigurado is 15 pesos per share ba para dun sa mga institutional investors or para sa retail investors. Hindi ko pa na-research masyado yan. Maybe we'll get more information in the coming days. Speaking of coming days, ito yung pinaka-important na dates. October 20. Ano ba date ngayon? October 13. Final offer price will be determined on October 20th. And then offer period 23 to 29. And settlement date November 7 kung bumili ka. So kung bumili ka ng Maynilad shares during the offer period, then makikita mo sa account mo yung stocks by November 7. Okay? Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's some transparency. That's actually full transparency into my process. Tingnan natin in the next few days kung mag-improve or magkakaroon ako ng access sa prospectus. Mas interesting yun kasi makikita ko yung use of proceeds section, risks, and competition. Na-confirm ko rin pala na west side of Metro Manila sa Cavite lang yung sinuservice ng Maynilad. So, interesting talaga kung sino din yung nandun sa space na yun. Nawasa? Probably. Pero don't quote me on it. Okay.